Here we're asked to graph a function with the following characteristics, and we got 5 things that we got to deal with here. Domain range, 2 end behaviors, and a minimum. So the domain we know means that it's going to go on forever to the left and the right. The range tells us that y is going to be less than or equal to 5, so it's not going to go over this, but it is going to hit 5 because it's equal to 5. The end behavior, actually, let's talk about this minimum first at 2, 1. So I know I'm going to have a minimum here, so I know that it's going to go something like that. Now, as x approaches negative infinity, so as we go to the left, y is approaching negative infinity. So maybe something, I don't know, let's say here. I moved this one all the way up here because I know at some point y is equal to 5. So it does hit this point here. Could have done it on the right side. It doesn't really matter. But then the final thing for as x approaches positive infinity, y is approaching 3. So as it approaches here, it's going closer and closer and closer and closer to 3. So let's just double check all 5 of our things. It looks like the x values are going to all the way to the left and all the way to the right, so to negative infinity and positive infinity. Check. The y value goes down to negative infinity and stops at the highest possible point, which is 5. Check. As x approaches negative infinity, y approaches negative infinity. So as we go to the left, is going down. As x approaches positive infinity, y approaches 3. So as we go to the right, y is getting closer and closer to 3. So check and check. And then we have a minimum at 2, 1. Check. And there's our perfect, if not purple, graph.